If you suspect that your Snapchat account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to recover your Snapchat account. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. If you're unable to log in, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the process of recovering your account. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. Select whether you want to receive a password reset link via email or a verification code via SMS. Choose the method that you have access to and follow the prompts. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Check your email or SMS for the reset link or code. Click the link or enter the code in the app, then follow the instructions to create a new password. Step 5. Secure your account. Once you regain access, immediately update your password to something strong and unique. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication in the settings to enhance your account security. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Snapchat account and protect it from future unauthorized access. Always stay vigilant and monitor your account for any unusual activity.